And the room full says everything quiet. Loneliness creeps in like a mountain light. I search for your face in a sea of regret. Your memories are ghosts that I can't forget. We danced on the edge of a love so fierce. Now I'm left with the songs your absence pierce. You were my symphony, my soul untrue. Now echoes of sorrow fill up this room. Shattered rose in my mind, fragments of love we left behind. Broken pieces on the floor, can't find us anymore. Your laughter was once my guiding light. Now it's a whisper in the dead of night. I count the tears on my pillowcase, hoping someday to forget your face. Still see your shadow against the wall.